Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the COSTWAY and LOONGOSTAR. Both are designed for compact living spaces like apartments and RVs, but they offer different features and capacities. In this video, we'll break down their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which machine is the best fit for your laundry needs. The COSTWAY washing machine has a capacity of 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning, making it suitable for smaller loads. In contrast, the LOONGOSTAR offers a larger capacity of 18 pounds for washing and 10 pounds for spinning, which is ideal for those who need to wash more laundry at once. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially if you have a larger household. While the COSTWAY machine provides basic washing and spinning functions with timer controls, the LOONGOSTAR stands out with its additional features, including a drain pump and multiple washing modes. The drain pump makes it easier to dispose of water after washing, and the various modes offer flexibility for different fabric types and washing needs. These features can enhance the overall user experience and efficiency. When it comes to pricing, the COSTWAY machine is more budget-friendly at $159, while the LOONGOSTAR is priced at $179. Although the LOONGOSTAR is slightly more expensive, it offers additional features and a larger capacity, which may justify the higher cost for some users. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your budget and laundry needs. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY and LOONGOSTAR portable washing machines have their unique advantages. The COSTWAY is a great option for those looking for a compact and affordable solution, while the LOONGOSTAR provides more capacity and features for a slightly higher price. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.